Are you struggling to get views on your YouTube videos? If so, you're certainly not alone. It's a common frustration, one that echoes in the halls of the YouTube universe. With over 2 billion users, YouTube is a bustling marketplace for content, a virtual bazaar where videos of every conceivable kind vie for attention. There's no denying the allure of such a massive platform. It's like a gold mine for those who dream of reaching a large audience. But, as with any gold mine, there's a catch. The sheer size of the platform means that competition is fierce, and standing out can feel like trying to be heard in the middle of a rock concert. The struggle for views is real, folks. It's a battle, a dance, a game of strategy and wit. But don't worry, you're not alone in this struggle, and there are ways to turn things around. To increase your views, you must first understand YouTube's algorithm. It's like a mysterious creature, always evolving, always changing. But don't worry, we're here to demystify it. Picture the YouTube algorithm as the conductor of a grand orchestra, deciding which instruments, or in our case videos, get the spotlight. It's a complex system, but it primarily focuses on 4 factors: watch time, viewer engagement, relevance, and the frequency of new videos. Let's start with watch time. It's the total accumulated time that viewers spend watching your videos. YouTube loves this. The longer your viewers stay, the more the algorithm favors your content. It's not just about getting clicks, it's about keeping the audience glued to their screens. Next up, viewer engagement. Think of likes, comments, shares, and even the addition of your video to a viewer's watch later list. These are all signals to YouTube that your content is engaging, and it should be recommended to more people. Relevance is another key factor. YouTube's algorithm tries to understand what your video is about and who would be interested in it. It does this by analyzing your video's title, description, and tags. So make sure they accurately represent your content and include keywords that your target audience might use. Lastly, the frequency of new videos. Consistency is key. Regularly posting new content tells the algorithm that your channel is active and should be recommended to viewers. It doesn't mean you have to post daily, but having a consistent schedule can go a long way. Remember, the YouTube algorithm's job is to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. If your content can help achieve this, you're on the right track. It's not about tricking the system, but about understanding how it works and using that knowledge to your advantage. Mastering YouTube's algorithm is a crucial step in increasing your video views, but it's not the only one. Let's dive into the importance of SEO in boosting your video views. If you're scratching your head wondering what SEO is, don't worry. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's like the secret sauce that can help your videos climb to the top of YouTube's search results. SEO is all about making your content discoverable. If you want to get more views, you need to ensure that your video is easy to find. So how does SEO work exactly? Well, YouTube, just like Google, has a search algorithm that sifts through an ocean of content to find videos that match a user's search query. This algorithm considers various factors, but one of the key things it looks at are keywords. These are the words and phrases that users type into the search bar. If your video title, description, and tags contain these keywords, the YouTube algorithm is more likely to pick up your video and present it to the user. Let's say you've made an excellent video on how to bake the perfect chocolate cake. If you use relevant keywords like chocolate cake, baking, or cake recipe in your title, description, and tags, your video is more likely to appear when someone searches for how to bake a chocolate cake. But remember, using the right keywords is not just about stuffing as many as you can. The keywords need to be relevant and accurately represent your content. Misleading the audience with irrelevant keywords can harm your channel's reputation and even lead to penalties from YouTube. Tags are another crucial part of SEO. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. So, use relevant tags that describe your video content. The description is also a vital area to focus on. It should provide a brief summary of your video, including those all-important keywords. But don't just copy and paste your title into the description. Make it unique and engaging, and that's the gist of SEO. It might seem like a lot, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. Remember, SEO is your friend in this journey to get more views. Now let's talk about the importance of engaging content. Engaging content is like the secret sauce that makes your videos irresistible to viewers. It's the difference between a viewer clicking away after a few seconds and staying glued to their screen until the very end. But what exactly makes content engaging? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Engaging content is content that resonates with your audience, content that keeps them interested, curious, and wanting more. It's content that's informative, entertaining, or ideally both. It's content that tells a story, solves a problem, or answers a question. It's content that's authentic, original, and uniquely you. But why is engaging content so important? Well, the answer lies in YouTube's algorithm. You see, YouTube's algorithm is like a matchmaker. Its job is to match viewers with videos they'll love. And one of the ways it does this is by keeping track of viewer retention. Viewer retention is basically a fancy term for how long viewers watch your videos. If a viewer watches your video all the way through, that's considered high viewer retention. If they click away after a few seconds, that's considered low viewer retention. YouTube's algorithm loves videos with high viewer retention. It sees these videos as high-quality, engaging content that viewers love. And so it promotes these videos more, leading to more views. So how can you create engaging content that increases viewer retention? Well, the first step is to know your audience. What are their interests, their problems, their questions? The more you know about your audience, the better you can create content that resonates with them. Next, strive for authenticity. Be yourself. Let your personality shine through. Viewers can tell when you're being genuine, and they're more likely to engage with content that's authentic and real. And finally, always strive for quality. Invest in good equipment. Take time to plan and edit your videos. Pay attention to details. Quality content is engaging content, and engaging content is key to increasing viewer retention and getting more views. Engaging content is key to keeping viewers watching, and the longer they watch, the more views you'll get. Let's move on to another critical factor: promotion and collaboration. Now you've put in the hard work, crafting engaging content, optimizing it for YouTube's algorithm, and ensuring it's SEO friendly. But that's not the end of the road. Your next steps are just as crucial: promoting your videos and collaborating with others. Promotion is all about getting your videos in front of as many eyes as possible. It's about creating a buzz around your content, sparking interest, and driving people to click on your video. You're not just a YouTuber, you're also a marketer, and the world is your stage. Use every platform at your disposal to let people know about your latest video. Share it on your social media platforms. Embed it into your blog. Send it out in your newsletters. You could even reach out to influencers or bloggers in your niche and ask them to share your video. Every share, every like, every comment, it all adds up and helps your video get noticed by YouTube's algorithm. Now let's talk collaborations. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a fantastic way to expand your reach and tap into a new audience. You see, when you collaborate, you're not just sharing your content, you're sharing audiences. Your collaborator's audience gets to know you, and your audience gets to know them. It's a win-win situation. Plus, it's a great way to create fresh and diverse content. You can do a challenge, a Q&A, a behind-the-scenes look at each other's channels. The possibilities are endless. And don't be afraid to reach out. Most YouTubers are open to collaborations because they understand the value it brings. So don't be shy, send that email, make that connection. You never know where it might lead. Promotion and collaboration can be powerful tools in increasing your YouTube views. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We began with the struggle for views, something every YouTuber, big or small, has faced. We dove into understanding YouTube's algorithm, a complex but crucial part of getting your videos seen. Remember, YouTube rewards those who keep viewers on their platform. So create content that hooks people in and keeps them watching. We then explored the importance of SEO. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags can significantly boost your visibility on the platform. Don't underestimate the power of keywords and accurate descriptions. Next, we discussed the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel: engaging content. Create videos that resonate with your audience, tell a compelling story, or offer valuable information. Lastly, we highlighted the value of promotion and collaboration. Share your content on various platforms and collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Implement these tips and you'll see an increase in your YouTube views. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it was helpful. Thanks for watching.